Welcome to the University Compliance Office's Accommodate. Accommodate helps manage accommodation requests and related services with ease. This training video will demonstrate how to use Accommodate. To access Accommodate, navigate to eoc.unc.edu/accommodate. Click the Login to Accommodate button, select Faculty, then log in with your onion and password. Once you are logged in, you will see the home page of the Accommodate website with the news feed of important information. Please review this information as it will change. Above the news feed, you will see a few sections. The Letters to Review section will have instructor notification letters and semester request letters to review and sign. The Test Room Bookings section will have test details and materials from students for you to review. The information and notices available here will change as students connect with UCO for accommodations and schedule tests and exams, so please review this frequently. On the left-hand side, you will see the navigation menu. Under Accommodation Letters, you can review your students' accommodation plans. You can click the Instructor Notification Letter Semester Request title, and it will take you to the accommodation letter. Those notifications, which are listed as requested, are waiting for your signature of acknowledgement. Those listed as signed are the notifications you have already viewed and signed. You can print these notifications by hitting the Print Letter button at the top or bottom of your screen. You can also generate a PDF and save it by hitting the Generate PDF button at the top or bottom of your screen. Going back to the left-hand side of your screen, you will also see Courses in your navigation menu. Click this to view your courses. Click any course title to view your course details, the students who are enrolled in your class, test bookings, and exams. Under the Exam tab, you can proactively upload exam materials for upcoming exams for your course. This is the area where you can receive completed exams sent back to you by UCO Testing Center staff, if this is the method of return you selected. To upload an exam and instructions, click the blue Add New Exam button. Select the return method you would like. Type in the title of the exam. You can also type an optional description. Next, specify if it is a final exam or not. Provide the test length you have set for the class. The Accommodate platform will apply any extended testing time accommodation automatically. Attach any necessary test materials, for example, if you have a PDF of an exam. Enter the start date for the exam and the end date. This is the date range within which students are permitted to take this exam. Provide any instructions for students. For example, if aides are allowed or not allowed. Please be as specific as possible here to help UCO staff manage any issues and questions that come up from students when they take their test. Then, provide your contact details to be used by UCO testing staff if there are any questions during the exam. If it may be difficult to reach you, any indication of steps students can take if they have questions or issues would be appreciated. For example, you can say, if there are questions and I cannot be reached, have the student describe any assumptions they have used to complete the answer. Finally, you can choose if you would like to apply this exam to all students in this course who have accommodations. You can hit Submit if you have added all the details necessary, or hit Save and come back to the exam later. You can also hit Cancel or Delete to erase this exam. Remember, we are here to help. If you have any questions while using Accommodate, you can email us at accommodations@unc.edu.